Setting low idle on a STX38 John Deere 12.5 horsepower Kohler.
Hello, my name is Jack, Mister PuttPutt. I will do my best to assist you today. I run a MTD Troy-Bilt warranty and repair center and I am a certified expert tech on Kohler engines. What is your exact question?
Hey Mister PuttPutt.
Hello.
Hey Mister PuttPutt, Old Pound here. I have a 1997 John Deere STX38 lawn tractor with a Kohler 12.5 horsepower engine. The low idle is too low. I have set the high idle from one of y'all's responses. When I back the throttle off, it runs to slow and quits. How do I set the low idle up?
On the carb, do you see a low idle stop screw?
I'm inside on the computer, let me go look.
Okay. Let me see if I can find you a service manual.
On the front of the carb, there are two screws. One with a black plastic sleeve.
Let me see if I can find a picture for you. Okay, the one that has the black plastic, that is the low idle fuel needle. Do not turn that one. The idle adjustment should be up higher than that one and should be at the top and kind of the middle. Is that the way you see it?
Let me go look again. I'm 64 with no memory. That's it. The fuel needle is against the block and the other one is high and in the middle.
You want the RPMs around 1200. That will kind of be hard to do without a gauge, but turn the screw in about a 1/4 turn and see if that is enough. If not, then go another 1/4 turn until you get the idle you want.
Clockwise or counterclockwise?
That would be clockwise.
I see, you said turn the screw in.
Sorry, just used to doing it.
Cool, I think this is what I need. Thank you for the help and I will go try this now. Nice to have good help.
Did you do repairs to this carb? Because there are issues that can cause low idle stall.
No, just pull the bowl and clean it. The mower has sat for 7 years and now I am selling it. Ran great when I put it up. Changed the lines, cleaned the tank act.
Okay, that is the issues I am talking about. You could have an air circuit plugged. First try the idle bump up, and if you still have issues please let me know, because if you have an idle circuit plug this will cause this. Did you do a complete cleaning, meaning taking carb off and disassemble and clean?
No, just pulled the bowl, pulled the tank, cleaned everything and put it back together. Did not pull the carb.
Okay, first do as I said, turn 1/4 turn and see if that does it. If not, go a little more. Then if it works that is great, but if it surges you have a plugged circuit. Surging meaning rev up and down.
Cool, I can do that and will now. Customer will be here soon for all of my equipment. Thank you.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.